How to replace the pull cord on a Troy Bilt trimmer. There are lawn and garden tools you simply can't do without, and one of them is a Troy Bilt trimmer. When the pull cord gets detached or gives way from wear and tear over time, it will need to be replaced to restore the trimmer's power. You can save time and money and make the most out of the performance of your garden equipment if you repair and replace small parts yourself. Things you will need: Troy Bilt trimmer, screwdriver, clean cloth, lubricant spray, new pull cord. Disassemble the starter housing assembly by removing the mounting bolts, the Torx screw and the locking screw. Remove the starter housing assembly from the engine, then unscrew the pressure plate assembly from the starter housing. Pull out the spring and the recoil pulley. Note and mark the direction of the coil in the spring so you'll know how to put it back later. Clean the housing of your spring by wiping it with a cloth and spraying it with lubricant. This will protect internal parts from constant friction due to pulling and usage. Insert the spring into the recess of its housing in the correct position and reset the spring lock. Replace the recoil pulley. Turn it until it locks into place. Thread your new pull cord into the hole in the middle of the pulley and out through the opening in the blower. Check that the cord is in position, then pull the cord until it is firm and tight against the pulley. Attach the pull cord to the handle to anchor it firmly and tie a knot on the pull cord's end. Loosen your hold and allow the pull cord to rewind back into the blower housing. Return the starter housing and engine assemblies to their former positions.